guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you all are doing really well. So before proceeding further, a disclaimer, I'm going to be using English for this video. Obviously बहुत सारे लोग मुझे message करते हैं, you guys just mail me and you want me to film videos in Hindi, makeup tutorial Hindi में करो, ये करो, and I am gonna listen to you guys. I'll take that into consideration and definitely use English for the videos. So coming back to the video, Miniso एक Japanese brand है and आपको इसके stores Delhi और Mumbai में majorly मिलेंगे and I'm so happy that they are available in India now. So I think Miniso सिर्फ Mumbai और Delhi में है. I'm not aware if they are available in any other cities. But yeah, Mumbai and Delhi. So Mumbai mein I shop from R City Mall Ghatkopar and also from Market City Kurla. Obviously एक store में वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं मिल पाई, so that's the reason I went kind of hunting for stuff in another mall. Miniso में आपको बहुत सारी varieties मिलेगी, starting from kitchenware, toiletries, skincare, makeup, footwear, sunglasses, then electronic stuff like you get those cords, earphones. Then stationery. Of course, how can I forget stationeries? What else? I think I'm missing on a lot of stuff, but yes, आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलेगी. You get those fancy mugs, bottles, what not. और सबका price range इतना affordable है. आप सच में वहाँ जाते ही you'll go mad, you'll go crazy और आपको ऐसा लगेगा मुझे सारी चीज़ें चाहिए. Trust me, this is what happened with me. I went a little overboard and मैंने बहुत कुछ ले लिया, which was totally unplanned. Basically मुझे उनके makeup brushes लेने थे और cotton pads and 2-3 stuff more. But unfortunately मुझे वो सारी चीज़ें मिली ही नहीं. Of course वो सारी sold out थी. So without wasting any time further, I think I should start showing you what all things I got because I know बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत bore होता है बहुत लंबा वीडियो देखकर. So I'm gonna try and make it kind of simple, short and simple. So I'll just quickly show you what are the things I got. मैं आपको उनका details या description नहीं बताऊंगी obviously, वरना वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. Yes, without any further ado, let's get started. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, I bought a lot of skincare and makeup stuff as well. So starting with makeup because यही मेरे हाथ में आया है. Also कुछ चीज़ें जो है I've already started using obviously because I couldn't wait. So yes. So makeup mein I got like two things if I'm not wrong. Yeah. The first thing that I got is this makeup base. तो ये है 1+1 protection emulsion और ये बिल्कुल ऐसे दिखता है, छोटा सा है and this is basically used to apply before you apply any makeup. It's kind of a moisturizer and इसका price है just ₹190. Next up is this BB cream that I got. ये मैंने खोलकर try किया and unfortunately this doesn't go well with my shade. इसका टेस्टर वहाँ था नहीं, so I could not really try. But ये दिखने में बहुत ही luxurious है. This looks very nice and इसकी price है 190. Yes, 190. Unfortunately ये BB cream काफ़ी normal सा है. Like it does not really give you sort of even skin tone नहीं. ये सिर्फ आपको sticky सा feel करवाता है. So I'm not a big fan of this BB cream. ये okayish है. So yes, another was this. Next up ये है makeup brush जो I have started using already. मुझे ये Market City वाले Miniso में मिला. Obviously R City में it was sold out and वहाँ पर भी सिर्फ यही एक makeup brush available था. But guys, the concealer foundation duo brush is amazing and I'm badly waiting for that. I got this one. This is multifunctional flat blusher brush. I started using it already और ये बहुत अच्छी quality का है. The bristles are super soft and good in quality and ये brush का price है सिर्फ ₹150. Actually सारे makeup brushes Miniso में 150 के ही है. So it's a great steal guys. I think अगर आपको मिलता हो makeup brushes, just go and grab them क्योंकि ये जल्द ही से out of stock हो जाता है यार. I mean I badly need the concealer foundation brush. I think मैंने कुछ 21 या 22 चीज़ें खरीदी है वहाँ से, which I did not realize until वो billing counter पे जाकर जब सब billing के लिए ready हो रहा था and then I was like okay, I got a lot of stuff which I shouldn't have. Yeah. Coming to some of the beauty skincare stuff. So मैंने कुछ चीज़ें ली वहाँ से. First thing is this refresh moisturizing clear facial cleanser. So because I have combination towards dehydrated skin, so I just thought of giving this one a shot because ये moisturizing है एंड इसका प्राइस है ₹350 विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ ओके बिकॉज ये रेट में ही मोस्टली सारे फेस वॉशेस मिल जाते हैं लाइक आयरन ब्रांड्स हिमालय एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट द क्वांटिटी इज़ टू मच एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ इसके आगे देयर इज यू नो सॉर्ट ऑफ फेस क्लेंजर, ऐसे ब्रश टाइप कुछ है. आई थिंक आई शुड ओपन इट एंड शो इट टू यू गाइस. तो जैसे कि मैंने कहा इसको यू नो यू हैव लाइक फेस क्लेंजर थिंग ओवर हियर विच इज़ सो कूल एंड आई थिंक ये ओपन होता है. आई डोंट नो, आई एम यूजिंग इट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई होप इट डजंट ब्रेक. Mommy, don't break. Okay, I can't use it right now, but yes, ये ऐसा है and this is just for ₹350. Yeah. नेक्स्ट अप जो उसी के रेंज में से एक है, दिस इज़ अ मॉइस्चराइजिंग लोशन एंड इसका प्राइस है ₹250. दिस वन इज़ 85 ml बॉटल. सो बेसिकली ये भी मॉइस्चराइजिंग लोशन है एंड आई थिंक आई विल प्रॉबली यूज इट फॉर माई फेस. वन इज़ एनरिच्ड विद डीप एंड इंटेंसिव मॉइस्चराइजिंग essence. Obviously moisturizing है, so I think this is going to work well for my skin. Next up is this toner which is also from the same range if I'm not wrong. Yeah, no, basically ये एक intensive hydration toner है that will make skin feel moisturized, soft and supple. So everything I got in skincare ये सारा एक ही range, moisturizing range. Obviously because I have combination towards dehydrated skin, so I think ये मेरी skin के लिए helpful रहेगा. So this toner is priced at ₹250. I think this is amazing. ये बहुत ही reasonable है. ये इतनी बड़ी bottle is just for ₹250. I'm very excited. Also I love the packaging. ये जो एक wooden texture, you know, wooden sort of cap दिया है, which I think is very cool. Next up is this body lotion. This is Blooming Bouquet body lotion. This one is also moisturizing body lotion and I really love the fragrance. वहाँ पर इसका tester था, so I could you know kind of just apply and smell and then take it. So ये 200 gram की bottle is priced at ₹250 only. This is really great. Like ठीक है यार, it's not very expensive. It's good. Also it looks luxurious. What else do you want? And I think the quality is also good. I can't really tell you in detail because मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया, but in the store while I was just you know trying, I could see that the lotion was quickly getting absorbed into my skin, which is a good sign. So that's the reason I just got it. Obviously इसमें एक दो ranges और थे, you know, but I like the fragrance of this one really a lot, and also because ये एक moisturizing lotion है, so obviously I needed it. एक और चीज़ रहती है मेकअप में, दैट इज़ दिस लूज पाउडर. सो बेसिकली वहाँ पर मेकअप का एक अलग सा यू नो साइड में कॉर्नर था जहाँ पे आपको लिपस्टिक से लेके कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर यू गेट एवरीथिंग, बट द डाउन साइड इज़ कोई असिस्ट करने के लिए नहीं था. सो इवन इफ़ यू नो यू आर लुकिंग फॉर शेड्स, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा यू नो स्ट्रगल करना होगा. ये शेड नहीं जा रहा है, वो नहीं जा रहा है. ऑल्सो बिकॉज दिस इज़ लाइक अ जापानीज़ ब्रांड, इंडियन स्किन टोन्स के लिए इतना कुछ नहीं है. आई मीन द पाउडर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट was not very versatile. So I got this loose powder जो है in the shade 01 Ivory. Actually दो shades में available है, but I think दूसरा वाला was out of stock, so I just got this. I don't know if ये मेरे skin tone से match होगा या नहीं, but you know because the packaging is cute and the quality is nice, I kind of you know tested, हाथ पर देखा था, so it was really good in the texture and the feel. So this is how it looks. It looks really nice and cute. ये एक you know puff, and then this is how the powder looks like. Loose setting powder, matte loose setting powder, और इसका price है ₹190. Now coming to some of the random stuff. Next up is this S Curve scalp brush. ये बिल्कुल ऐसे दिखता है. Actually थोड़ा बहुत you know it's like a toy brush sort of thing, but no, it's really good. I've started using it. ये अभी मैंने recently ही start किया है carry करना bag में, and I think this is really nice. This is really nice. So इसका price भी है ₹150. It's very handy. You can keep it in your bag and it's really nice. Next up is this set of razors. So basically you get like 4 razors, और इसका price है I think ये भी सिर्फ ₹150 के लिए ही था. I started using one already, और 3 और है. Like you get 4 razors सिर्फ ₹150 में, which is amazing. I think you guys should definitely give this a shot. So what to show you, I also got this eyelash curler. ये एक बहुत ही प्यारा mint green color में मिला, and the grip is really nice. Also the quality is amazing. This eyelash color is also for ₹150 only. I got something that I really wanted to get since a very long time, और ये है eyebrow shaper, और इसमें 3 eyebrow shapers आते हैं. So basically अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है to go to the salon and you know kind of do threading and all that, तो आप इसको use कर सकते हो. But obviously you need to know how to do it, otherwise you know आप cuts words हो सकता है. So you have to be very careful, and I wanted to try it, so I just got 3. So you get like 3 for just rupees 150. It's a great deal. I totally like it. So next up is this comb that I got. This is huge. This is great for detangling, और इसमें कुछ essential oil भी है. And this comb का भी price है rupees 150 only. I am very excited to use this. ये बहुत ही huge है and good for detangling. So next up is this cotton swabs set, और इसका भी प्राइस है रुपीज़ 150. Isn't it amazing? आपको 2 डब्बे मिल रहे हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ 150 रुपीज़ में, एंड एक बॉक्स में है अराउंड 200 स्वॉप्स, एंड this is bleacher free, fluorescence free, antibacterial processing. So this is basically good in quality, and I absolutely love it. Next up I have this mouth mask. I use mouth mask basically you know every morning when I go for walk, morning or evening, जब भी time मिलता है. If I'm going for jogging or walk, I use mouth mask. It really helps in you know kind of, it saves me from getting all the dust into my nose. So I just love using mouth mask. और ये बहुत cute है. I'll just show you how it looks. Let me open it. ये बिल्कुल ऐसे दिखता है. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's very good in quality. बहुत soft है. It's not gonna irritate in any way. So yes, this is priced at rupees 150 only. So next up I have this pouch. ये बहुत सारे कलर्स में अवेलेबल था. There was like black, pastel colors भी थे. But I like the silver one more, so I just got this. ये काफ़ी spacious है. I mean you can store your makeup, or if you're traveling आप अपनी toiletries रख सकते हो and all of that. So ये काफ़ी spacious है. I really like the quality. और इसकी price है rupees 150 only. Guys, if you kind of you know if you want to buy such pouch और आप online देखते हो तो at least 400 to 500 के नीचे आपको नहीं मिलेगा. But I am so happy that Miniso is you know giving us such amazing quality wala pouches just for rupees 150, 180, 280 ऐसे सब ranges थे. So I'm really glad I got this. Next up is also sort of pouch that I got. तो ये है एक you know kind of leather sort of thing, और इसके आगे एक sleeve है, और ये सिर्फ एक compartment के साथ आया है, and I absolutely love how this looks. आप इसको basically you know as a wallet भी use कर सकते हो. I personally like wallet. I personally like to carry you know something like this which has like only one compartment, और इसी में पैसे या card and everything I just stuff together. I don't like carrying those wallets with extra compartments and all of that. So I really like this, और इसका price है rupees 230. This is really good in quality, guys. Amazing. Next up I have this U neck pillow. This is very comfortable, and trust me, those 3 days when I was on a road trip, I was you know continuously wearing this in my car, and this absolutely saved my neck. I could sleep well. सब कुछ अच्छे से गया, and the quality is really nice. You can use this for so many other you know purpose. इसका कुछ एक sample pictures भी they have given, which I think I have. Yeah, yes. I don't know if you can see this on camera or not, but you know you can use it as head support, neck support, side support, stomach support, lumbar pad, foot support. So this is amazing. और इसका price है rupees 450. Isn't it amazing? अगर आप normally neck pillows लेने जाओ, it will cost you around you know 800 to 1000. But this is just for rupees 450. Next up I have some of the storages that I got. First one is this. So this is multifunctional cosmetic and jewelry organizer. ये बिल्कुल ऐसा ही दिखता है जैसे कि आपको पिक्चर में दिख रहा है. The moment I saw it, I was like, no, I have to get it, because online ये सारी चीज़ें इतनी expensive है, but यहाँ पर this was just for rupees 150. I can't control my excitement, I'm so sorry, but this is just for ₹150 and it's like यहाँ पर आप 6 lipsticks रख सकते हो, यहाँ पे foundation रखना है, या you know if there's like bottle sort of thing यहाँ रखो, and then here you can store some of the things. So this is amazing and just for ₹150. Also the quality is just to die for. The quality is so good guys, it's so good. Next up भी storage है. So this is like multifunctional cosmetic and jewelry organizer और ये बहुत ही प्यारा है. It's very decent and nice. I'll show you. So this is how it is. I'll just open and show you कैसे दिखता है, तभी शायद आप समझ पाओगे. And this is how it looks. Isn't it amazing? ये कितना cute है. It looks so nice. So basically I just thought you know मैं इसमें अपनी everyday you know earrings or you know rings, anything if we keep in this will look so pretty. इसीलिए मैंने ये लिया. And this storage is priced at ₹150. Now the last one but definitely not the least, ये RCity मॉल में you know out of stock था and then I went to Market City. वहाँ पर भी ढूंढा and then finally they had this like one last piece left. So I saw this in one of the YouTubers video and I was like okay मुझे Miniso जाना है और ये ज़रूर लेना है. And then trust me, the moment I got this I was so happy and now you'll get to know why. So this is like a multifunctional mirror. ये एक mirror है जो jewelry storage के साथ आता है. I'll show you how. So guys, जैसे कि मैंने कहा it's storage as well. तो ये उसका बेस है. इसमें आप रिंग्स या you know नेकलेस या जो भी है आप रख सकते हो. एंड देन यू जस्ट हैव टू कवर इट लाइक दिस. और इसके ऊपर जो है ये स्टैंड आता है. दिस स्टैंड यू हैव टू पुट इट इनसाइड दिस. ओके एंड जस्ट रोटेट इट. ये फिट हो गया है बिल्कुल भी. एंड देन दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. और इसके ऊपर ये जो मिरर है ये लगाना है. ओके so this is how it looks. कितना cute है. So basically I think I'm gonna use it for my YouTube makeup tutorials. ये multifunctional है, definitely very useful and just for ₹290 this is amazing. So I think yes that's all. ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने Miniso से ली. Before ending this video, there are a few tips that I want to give you guys. Firstly, do not go to Miniso on weekends. You will go mad. आपको ठीक से खड़े भी रहने जगह नहीं मिलेगी अगर आप वीकेंड्स में गए तो. I went to Miniso on a Tuesday. कोई नहीं था असिस्ट करने के लिए क्योंकि बेचारे जो 2-4 लोग थे they were busy with somebody else and then इतनी भीड़ थी आपको literally you know चीज़ें देखने भी नहीं मिलेगी. So trust. So अगर वीकडेज में ये हाल है then just imagine weekends में क्या होगा. So avoid going on weekends. Secondly, please plan. अगर आप Miniso जा रहे हो please एक दिन पहले just sit and plan out for a budget. आपको कितना खर्च करना है, क्या क्या लेना है, just you know keep everything in your mind. अगर आप totally blank वहाँ जाओगे and you're like ठीक है देखते हैं जो अच्छा लगा ले लेंगे, no, you'll end up buying everything that you don't even need. So don't make that mistake. Don't be like me. मैं वहाँ गई थी सिर्फ neck pillow and you know some makeup brushes लेने के लिए, but I went crazy, which I think you guys should not. So अगर आपको जो चीज़ लेनी है बस वही चीज़ें plan कीजिए and then you go, so that you know you're not buying anything which is not required. Third, for makeup stuff वहाँ पर आपको assist करने के लिए basically नहीं होगे. अगर है भी तो they won't know much about the shades and all that. So you know you have to be very patient and you should know आपको क्या लेना है क्या नहीं लेना है. Don't just go and buy हाँ ठीक है BB cream ले लिया. अगर वहाँ टेस्टर नहीं है तो kindly avoid buying that product because you never know उसका शेड आपको मैच करेगा या नहीं. Like how I regret buying this BB cream क्योंकि टेस्टर नहीं था, but still I was like okay BB cream है ना, एक ही तो शेड सबको you know सूट करता है, so why not. But this is a fail. This is really not working for me. ये काफ़ी अलग शेड है. It won't even go with my skin tone. So yes, without trying don't buy anything. Lastly, बहुत सारी चीज़ें Miniso में sold out मिलेगी क्योंकि you know it's been long now. बहुत लोगों को पता है स्टोर के बारे में, हर कोई वहाँ जाता है शॉपिंग करने के लिए मॉल में. It's like you know Miniso is always full. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आउट ऑफ स्टॉक मिलेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल you know those cotton pads, makeup brushes, also उनका जो मेकअप में जो eyebrow product है which is always sold out. But you know I'm hoping for the best. मैंने वहाँ अपना contact number देकर आई हूँ you know just in case if it is back in stock, they'll call me. I'll just go run and get that. I think that is it. This is everything that I got from Miniso. I'm super happy with my purchase. Everything is just so good. The only downside is, you know, there's no one to assist. Also weekends per a big no, and everything else is fine. I would totally recommend Miniso, and I think you guys should definitely check that store out if you haven't already. So yes, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like कीजिए, share करो ये video, and also comment below if you have any suggestions or feedbacks. So yeah, till then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.